Welcome to this guide on how to use World Poultry Foundation's small-scale producer resources effectively. In this guide, we will walk you through who these resources are targeted towards, what they are, in what formats they are available, when and how to use them, and some practical tips to help you best use them with farmers. This video is specially designed for field service representatives, brooder units, trainers, and extension officers who work directly with small-scale producers, supporting them to understand, apply, and benefit from improved poultry management practices. A small-scale producer, or SSP, is a farmer who buys young dual-purpose poultry, or DPP, around 4 weeks old from a brooder unit and raises them under a free-ranging system. In this system, the birds forage freely during the day and are safely housed in a coop at night. By keeping DPPs this way, SSPs have the opportunity to improve household nutrition through consuming meat and eggs and earn additional income from the sale of these products. The SSP resources were designed especially for SSPs who often live in rural areas and may have low literacy or numeracy levels. The materials are highly visual, using clear pictures and simple messages. They are available in multiple formats, including print and digital versions, and are also available as moving pictures with voiceovers in a range of local languages to improve accessibility and comprehension for audiences unable to read. These SSP resources consist of 7 modules that take farmers step by step through how to care for their birds from the moment they receive them. The modules also guide SSPs on the benefits and business side of dual-purpose poultry, helping them make informed decisions and generate sustainable income. The SSP resources are available in 5 different formats to ensure accessibility. These formats include videos, A4 sheets, infographics, A3 flip charts, and A1 posters. Each format was created with a specific use in mind. When used correctly, they become powerful tools for sharing knowledge, improving farmer practices, and strengthening DPP production. Infographics are simple, easy-to-use tools that help SSPs quickly understand and following key steps in DPP management. They work like handouts, something SSPs can take home or keep on hand as a daily guide. Each infographic uses clear pictures and step-by-step instructions that are easy to follow. As a field service representative or brooder unit or trainer, you can use infographics during training sessions, community meetings, or farm visits. Handing them out ensures that farmers have something to refer to long after the training is over, helping them to reinforce messages and encourage good practices every day. Next are the A4 sheets. A4 sheets are one of the most practical formats for sharing training information with farmers. They are easy to distribute, light to carry, and simple to understand. Each A4 sheet works like a mini booklet, presenting in-depth information through clear pictures and short, simple messages. This makes them ideal for SSPs who prefer step-by-step visual guidance. Because of their compact size, A4 sheets are also well suited for sharing over WhatsApp. Field service representatives and other trainers can store them in flip files for repeated use and refer to them during farm visits to support good management practices. Keep a flip folder with A4 sheets in your training bag. They are great to reinforce management messages during farm visits. The A3 version is like a portable classroom. It's designed for group settings such as marketing meetings or training workshops. You can flip through the pages like a flip chart, using the visuals to guide your explanation step by step. When printing, make sure the pages are printed double-sided. This way, the picture faces the audience, while the script faces you. The script serves as a prompt, helping you remember what to say while the audience focuses on the corresponding image. You can also laminate the pages for durability. Because the A3 flip chart doesn't require electricity, it can be used anywhere, even in venues where power isn't available. This makes it a practical and flexible tool that keeps you organized and your audience engaged. Use the words as a guide. Speak in your own words to keep the session engaging. Next, we have the A1 posters, our largest and most visible resources. These are designed for public display in places where people gather. Input shops, training centers, distribution points, or even community halls. Think of them as silent trainers. Once displayed, they keep teaching even when you're not there. Anyone who passes by can learn from them again and again. Place posters in busy areas where many farmers visit, so they can easily see and read them. Last but not least, videos. Videos are short, visual, and easy to understand, making them a powerful tool for reaching remote communities and low literacy groups. They feature moving pictures and voiceovers in multiple local languages, ensuring the messages are accessible to people who may not be able to read. These videos can also be shared through WhatsApp with individuals, groups, or community platforms, helping the message reach even more people. You can also share the link to the World Poultry Foundation YouTube channel or website, which will direct them to the videos as well as to other training resources WPF has made available. As a field service representative or brooder unit, we encourage you to distribute these videos widely, not just to farmers you meet, but also within your networks and groups. You can use these videos to spark curiosity, reinforce key training messages, and extend your impact far beyond your immediate interactions. Always include a short message with the video to explain why it's important, such as, healthy birds start with clean water and good feed every day. Find out how you can achieve this in this video. When used together, these resources become a powerful toolkit. Use infographics during farm visits. Share videos and A4s widely through WhatsApp. Present with A3 flip charts in group settings. Display A1 posters in public spaces to reach even more people. All resources are available in many local languages. Your role isn't just to hand out information, it's to make sure knowledge travels, sticks, and transforms the way SSPs keep dual-purpose poultry. We created these resources to make learning practical, engaging, and easy to access. By using them effectively, you're not just sharing information, you're empowering SSPs, improving productivity, and helping communities grow stronger. All these resources are available free of charge on the World Poultry Foundation website, where you can easily view, download, and share them with the people you support. Thank you for being part of this journey.